Hello everyone. Hi Virgo. This is the reading for you and this is December mid-month reading and this is general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest guys. So let's see your messages Virgo. Knight of Swords. So let's see what's going on your situation right now in your life. What is going? Yeah, someone coming back from past. Okay. In recent past, already your person approached you. Definitely they are rushing towards you for reconciliation. I think one person in this connection may be juggling right now Two of Pentacles, and it could be you Virgo. In past there may be you have to make some decision, you are juggling between things. Yeah, I think you walked away from this connection due to there is no loyalty, there is no honesty in this connection because Seven of Swords is here, sneaky energy. That's why you walked away, because you are very honest person, you are very straightforwarded. Because King of Swords, you always speaks truth. Okay, yeah, Gemini, the Lover squad is here. Definitely there is love, but you person have feelings but not as much as you have in this connection. In any connection there will be equal and give and take. Okay, but there is no equal give and take. You only the person always giving in this connection. In return you don't get anything. Okay, and High Priestess and Temperance, definitely you are listening to your higher self right now. You are very balanced. I think in your connection in past there is no balance, patience. Okay, now you're definitely listening to higher self. You are not responding to your person, that's why you walked away. So energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Excuse me. And King of Swords with Eight of Cups, definitely you cut them off for some. You don't want to communicate them. You already gave clarity to your person, and yeah, but they are rushing towards you for reconciliation. Already for some your person already approached you, for some your person going to be approached for reconciliation. But be careful because Seven of Swords is sneaky energy. I think your person may be lied to you or cheated on you. Definitely there is something sneaky. Maybe your person may be hiding something from you. Okay, I think this person is not trustworthy, what I am getting here, because you have some trust issues also. In past your person may be played with you, playing some main games with you. And Temperance, definitely patience and balance is not there in this connection in past, but you want patience and equal give and take in this connection, but that is not happening. That's why you walked away in this connection. Separation, definitely separation is there between both of you. I think 99% you may be walked away from this connection, but they are coming back for reconciliation. They are rushing towards you. Some communication also will happen between both of you. Yeah, High Priestess, definitely you are listening to higher self this time Virgo. So your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Sagittarius. Temperance card is here, or Gemini. Okay, especially. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. You are listening to your intuition also, Virgo. So let's see your person current feelings towards you first. The Fool, Five of Swords, Tower. Yeah, definitely they want new beginnings with you, but Five of Swords, definitely they're feeling that they did something wrong to you, because Five of Swords is backstabbing. And the Tower, definitely they are undergoing some Tower movement. Yeah, due to the separation, due to the issues between what had happened between, definitely they are undergoing some Tower movement right now. They want new beginnings with you, and they want to take leap of faith, and they want to regain your trust back again. Yeah, they want to try. The Fool means definitely they want a brand new beginnings, and they want to take leap of faith with you, Virgo. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Definitely your person right now undergoing some Tower moment. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Virgo, your person, any future actions towards you. Oh, one card is fell down. Let's see. Okay, that card is Four of Wands. Your person, any future actions towards you. Eight of Wands. Lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah. They are also taking their time. Yeah. They're scared to come towards you because they know that you already know the truth about them, what are they hiding. For some it could be third party situation also, but definitely they want celebration with you. I think for some it could be third party situation, and you both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. Eight of Wands with Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to communicate. Yeah, communication. There will be back and forth communication between both of you. And Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, but for some your person really changing for you, because Knight of Pentacles is a stable and sincere offer. For some, maybe your person still playing games with you, depending upon your situation. Take what resonates and leave the rest, guys, because Knight of Pentacles is stable offer and sincere offer. But if really your person playing games and you already know about that, and you already know about third party, be careful, okay? Because this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone, but some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Eight of Wands is here, and there is a lot of passion is also there. Still you have some feelings for your person, Virgo. Yeah, still, but you are taking your time because you are listening to higher self. Temperance, you are very balanced right now. You are not rushing towards to make decision, okay? So let's see, let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Mutual energies. Virgo, your pose, where this connection is headed in near future. See, Devil. Yeah, for some your person maybe not changing. Judgment. Your person could be Capricorn also. Yeah, Queen of Swords. Magician. Yeah, for some your person really a manipulator. Yeah, devil energy with manipulator, the magician. So magician sometimes regarded as manipulator, definitely, because Seven of Swords is here, devil is here, the magician is here. I think your person may be playing mind games with you, definitely. I think for some your person want you and another person also, some situations for some, okay? But you cut them off, definitely you will get justice. If you are betrayed by your person, definitely you will get justice. You stand by your power, Virgo, definitely, because Judgment with Queen of Swords. I think you are going to make some major decisions in your life, Virgo. What I am seeing here regarding this relationship, whatever in your life, some major decisions. It's decision time, what I am getting here. Definitely you stand by your power. This time you are very grounded. And for some, you cut your person off because you deserve love, you deserve best. If they don't offer what you deserve, definitely you cut them off, because Queen of Swords, see this lady. Yeah, Virgo. So energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Yeah, devil energy, definitely there is some deception, some obsession is there in this connection. Yes, you try, for some your person trying to manifest you back again in their life, okay? They're coming back, definitely they will coming back, but it's up to you to give second chance or not. Depend, it totally depends upon you, Virgo. So let's see your overall energy. See, the devil, Six of Wands, Two of Cups, and Nine of Swords. I think I already told you, you are also thinking about this person, okay? And Two of Cups, for some you really feel that this person is your soulmate. Okay, for some it may be true, okay? Not all persons, if there is no third party, definitely there will be chance for soulmates. And Six of Wands, definitely you want success in this connection. You are obsessed with your person, definitely. For some your person also obsessed with you. That's why there is some deception created in this connection. So your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's see your person overall energy. Nine of Pentacles, Seven of Cups. See, you both got same cards. Nine of Swords and yeah, Seven of Swords again. Definitely your person is sneaky, guys. Okay, 2 times Seven of Swords. Okay, I think something is wrong in this connection. Definitely your person may be hiding something from you. If it is not, it is okay. If it is, be careful, okay? Something, at least they are hiding something from you. And Nine of Swords, definitely your person also feeling sad for some. Yeah, they have options. They're seeing other options also. If your person is really sneaky, definitely they are opening, they're seeing other options also. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles, your person may be abundant. Definitely they are financially stable. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So if definitely I am getting manipulator, your person playing games with you, that message I am getting again and again. So if it is not, it is that's happy. I am so happy for you. If it is, please take decision wisely. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.